See, Reels, one of the biggest things for 2021. All right, you guys gotta be using it. You have to be using it. As in, it was explosive in 2021. It is 2022, and you have to be using it. In fact, right now, the only video I post now is Reels. And the beauty of it is, you don't even have to have people following you to see it. All right, so there's an account we handle, and we started posting lots of reels and started getting visibility. And so people were not thinking, okay, we are getting more visibility than our followers. Okay, there's something wrong. This guy is actually buying followers, or this guy is buying likes, or whatever. It wasn't. I wasn't buying any of that. I was just using reels. All right, reels. You don't need to be a follower to see reels. All right, you don't. All right, it appears in whatever, because Reels has its own set of algorithms. So when you think of algorithm, there are several algorithms in Instagram. So there is the Reel algorithm, there's the normal video algorithm, there's the normal Instagram algorithm. So it's crazy. Several algorithms in algorithm.